wherever you guys are, just stay safe and look after yourself and your families. And of course, this video is my monthly subscription box unboxing video. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, like I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So I post motivational videos on Tuesdays and beauty fashion related videos on Thursdays and vlogs on Saturdays. I don't know till when I'll be posting like this, but like I'm trying my best to post 3 videos per week. So do appreciate it and do subscribe to my channel. Join me on all social media sites. Links are below in the description box. So yeah, in this video I'm going to unbox my March Bellabox. So I think it's March Bellabox. Yeah, I think, yeah, it is March Bellabox. So it came in the mail yesterday. It's like this. So it came like this. Like literally, I will be posting this video tomorrow because tomorrow is Thursday 18th. I'm filming this today on 17th of March. So yeah, I can see that it's a different box this month. Wow, it feels so good. I really like it. So if you guys are following me, you guys must have known about this box. If not, if you are new here, then this is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products, and it's $19.95 per month, including postage to my place. So it all depends on where you live. So I live in Gold Coast and I really love this box. Okay, let's open. I really like it. Like, it looks like it's very classy and like very expensive kind of box, but it's a cardboard box, but the way they made it, like, it looks really classy. I really like it. So let's see what I got today. So first thing is a card. It says here Bellabox self-love delivered, and at the back it has all the products, names, retail value, and where you can buy it from. So first thing I can see is this KVD vegan beauty everlasting liquid lipstick. So this is a liquid lipstick. Oh yeah, they sent the email and I chose a color. I think I forgot about it. Okay, I can see it here. So this is Kat Von D lipstick, liquid lipstick. So it looks like this, and this is in the color Bow and Arrow. So let's swatch. Okay, this is really pretty. This is the one I wanted and I love it. They had 3 colors to choose from, so I chose this one and I love it. It's a full-size product, and like, it's very thin bottle, but like it contains I've got no idea. Let's see how much. Okay, it contains 6.6 ml of products. It says here it's a full-size product, and if you are looking for a lipstick to last KVD vegan beauty has you covered. The long wearing high pigmented liquid lipstick boosts a smooth matte finish and lightweight comfort. Infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed, its formula glides effortlessly and feels nourishing. Made with no parabens, sulfates. And this one is getting a bit darker, as you can see, as it dries, but I really like it. Like, so this one retails for $28, available at Sephora and sephora.com.au. So you can buy it from Sephora directly. So the next product is this Jinju Ginseng and Eucalyptus under eye mask. So this is a full size product, and it says here Jinju's eye patches revitalize tired eyes with a refreshing formula, boosting moisture under the eyes. And anti-inflammatory properties of eucalyptus calms the skin in this area, while cocoa seed oil helps to hydrate. So one mask retails for $4, available at Woolworths and Coles. The next product is this Alpha Absolute Lip Protector. So it's this one. It's a nourishing and smoothing lip balm that features a fresh and flatty nude tone. It's like this. Okay, let me show you guys properly. Looks like this. Oh, I hope you guys can see it properly. It comes like this. No, it's not coming. I think you have to make a hole or something here. So I might leave it like this. So this is just a lip balm, so no use. I think it's just a nourishing and smoothing lip balm that features a fresh and flatty nude tone, formulated with peppermint, wild mint and hyaluronic acid. This lip treatment hydrates, conditions and nourishes lips for a luxurious kissable pout. I can't say it properly, but like it's just a lip balm kind of thingy, and retails for $32, 10 ml, available at alpha.com. So 10 ml of product retails for $32. And like this is only 3 ml. So the next product is this BioRay, if I'm saying it right. Free your pores. So great for oily skin, charcoal deep cleansing pore strips. So I really needed this. So I'm really happy that I got this one today. And it says here it's a full size product, contains 6. So my husband will love it too. So using Japanese technology, BioRay's pore strips cleans the skin deeply, um, cleaning out dirt, oil and blackheads. So this product is available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse, and 6 of these retails for $7.29. So that's okay. And the next product is this Bioderma Sensibio H20 micellar water. So it's just a sample size of this micellar water. I don't know why I got this one. This one, it says here sample size of 20 ml. If you are looking for an easy makeup remover by this is just a makeup remover, available at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline, and 500 ml retails for $29.95. So the next one is a bonus La Roche-Posay Lipicure Balmy IP plus. I don't know what is this. It's by La Roche-Posay. So this is just a anti-irritation, anti-repressing balm. There is a jewelry voucher Okay, so yeah, I hope you liked some of the things here. I don't know what you got in this month's Bellabox, but I am happy of this lipstick, liquid lipstick. Like, I like this liquid lipstick, and I am really happy about this thingy because I ran out of this, so I am really happy that they sent this one. And this liquid lipstick is really good. Like, I like it, the color is good, and like now it's fully dry, and like I really like how the color turned out. You can see it's really pretty, and the mask is okay, and this lip balm is okay. I will try, but like overall I really like the box. Like, that liquid lipstick is worth my box already. Like, it's $28, so I'm really happy about it. Like, at least I got one good product in this box, worth far more than what I have paid for this month. I really like the box. Like, Bellabox is one box which I really like it. Like, it's worth far more than what you pay. So like, if you want to try new products, you might check it out. Like, they send such good products, and for you to try, and then if you like it, you can definitely buy it, and you can try. Like, you can try their sample and buy. And they usually send 1 to 2 full size product each month, which is worth far more than what you pay, like far more than your whole box. So that's really good, and I really like it. Like, I get to try some of the brand's product which I never heard of. So yeah, if you want to check them out, you may click the link in the description box, and this is only available in Australia and New Zealand. So yeah, I don't know whether they post in other countries or not, but you can check it out. So you may try if you like it, but I really like it. Like, I have never tried the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, but like, this is me first time trying this liquid lipstick, and I am so happy that I chose this color. Like, literally, I love it. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, then do subscribe to my channel, do turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Links is below in the description box. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.